Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a rose gold halo eye look. I'm starting off by using my ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray, and then I'm filling in my pores with my Cover FX Blurring Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm mixing that with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm just dotting that all over my face using a mixture of the darker and lighter shades. And then I'm blending it all out with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just putting that on my under eyes and on any blemishes I have around my face. To contour my face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm going to start off using this lighter shade, and I'm going to use that to highlight the high points of my face. Then I'm going to use the contour shade on my cheekbones, jawbone, and forehead to add some deepness to the edges of my face. And then I'm just blending all of that out with a dense brush, and then I'm using a beauty blender for the highlighter to make sure all of my lines stay clean and blended. Now to set everything down, I'm using the Physicians Formula Multicolored Pressed Powder, and I'm just putting that on a small brush and pressing it under my eyes, and then I'm putting that on a big fluffy brush and blending out the rest of my face. Moving on to bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just putting that on a slanted brush, and I'm blending that into my cheekbones and around the perimeter of my face. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, and I'm just putting that on a fluffy brush, again, putting that on my cheekbones. For eyebrows, I'm using the Milani Stay Put Brow Color and just blending out my eyebrows. I'm just lightly filling them in to make them look a little bit more defined. I'm then going to conceal the edges of them with the same concealer from before. I'm now going into the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm just using this middle shade as a transition. I'm blending that all through my crease, and then I'm using this pinkish red shade on my outer corner, blending that all together. And then for the deepest part of my crease, I'm using this dark reddish color and blending that both on my outer crease and inner crease, and that's what's going to create the halo eye effect. And then we're going to fill in the center with my Stila Glitter and Glow glitter eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm just pressing that onto the center of my eye to make it a halo look. And then I'm going back into that darkest color and blending it along my lash line to add some deepness to the look. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio Master Precise Liquid Liner, and I'm just creating a small wing with that. And then for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and then I'm just threw on some Ardell Wispies off the camera. I blended in that same transition shade in my lower lash line, and then I'm doing some mascara on my lower lashes. For highlighter, I'm using the Aviation Colorero Glow Kit in the shade Glow Getter, and for lipstick, I'm using the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Pretty. To set all of that down, I'm using the ColourPop Amber Crystal Setting Spray, and I'm just going to let that all dry. And this is my finished rose gold halo eye makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.